Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss noise pollution. And noise pollution is the last topic from your environmental pollution chapter. And today we are going to start definition of noise pollution and sources of noise pollution. What is the meaning of noise? Noise means unwanted or unpleasant sound which cause discomfort. Another definition of sound pollution is noise is also defined as wrong sound in wrong place at wrong time. Here is another definition of noise pollution is the unwanted sound dumped into the atmosphere leading to health hazards is known as a noise pollution. Noise is measured by unit in decibel. Sound decibel sound that can be heard by humans ears. One some people feel discomfort if the sound of 85 decibel, but the more people do not feel the any discomfort. According to the adaptation, human feel discomfort from the noise. Sources of noise pollution. The main sources of noise pollution is industrial sources and non-industrial sources. Industrial sources in which all industry like pulp industry, oil refineries or paper mills, any industry produce noise pollution. But noise non-industrial sources like vehicles, railway, aircrafts, machinery, concrete mixture, crushers and many others. Musical instruments are also produce noise pollution like they use in festivals. Festivals use in radios, transistor, loudspeakers, television and cables, electric generators, televisions, cables, electric generators. These all are the non-industrial sources. Then we are going to start one by one. First one is the industrial noise pollution. In industry, noise is the byproduct of energy which is converted from big machine used in a various mills. Then noise is known as also byproduct. For example, a recent study conducted by the staff of postgraduate medical sciences in Chennai show every fourth industrial worker among those surveyed in Chennai, Cochin, Coimbatore, Madurai has induced noise hearing loss because of this industry. And similar study conducted by the National Physical Laboratory in New Delhi that 12% of the residential area become unfit for human habitation because the many residential area belongs to the industrial area because the illegal construction and illegal cottage industry in residential area can cause noise pollution for the other residents. So actually noise possesses challenge to the industry. It affect the health of the workers and lower the productivity. Then another example of the noise pollution in Durgapur to another part of West Bengal is facing a serious noise pollution in industrial belt. And besides the blood cancer, particularly among the children, is causing a great concern due to the industrial noise pollution. And many people are suffering for early sign of a cancer due to the noise pollution. Means noise pollution is a very serious effect on our health or our environment. Because of this noise pollution, the birds numbers are decreases due to this noise. Then is a non-industrial noise pollution. In non-industrial noise pollution, first sub point is a transportation noise. Transportation include all transportation. Transportation noise that affect in urban population of the most because this consists of engine exhaust noise. Then indiscriminate the use of horns, use of pressure horns and auto repair workshop because auto repair workshop also used in the transportation facility. Then rising number of vehicles, because of the rising number of vehicles noise also increases. One survey take place in Delhi. The survey conducted by the State Pollution Control Board indicate that the noise in mega city like Bombay, Kolkata, Delhi. Then 95 decibel sounds are got. Then the 70 to 85% or 85 decibel sound produce only transportation, means transportation produce more and more noise, and the noise level of train is 150 decibel, and aircraft and supersonic aeroplanes are also produce large amount of noise, and the near the residential area of airport may be affected due to this noise. Another source of noise pollution is noise from machinery and gadgets. Machinery like construction machinery like concrete mixture, cement crusher, then the demolition construction of urban or renewal and expansion. This demolition and construction site uses stone crushing machinery, and it produces large amount of noise. Stone cement mixing machine also produce large amount of noise, and they produce noise pollution, means above 85 decibel noise pollution produce these machines. Then these products have a lot of noise, and these are used for the demolition of construction or renovation of construction or construction sites. Another source of the noise pollution is use of radio, transistors and loudspeakers. Mainly the noise created by tape recorders and the stereos which are played with the impunity in markets, then matadors and buses without any consideration of the traveler. In the morning, the bhajans over the loudspeaker from nearby temples, then gurudwaras are also source of creating noise, and the sound from both sources keep in crisscrossing one's ear, nothing in heard clearly, because one side is a temple and another side is gurudwara, but in morning there is a bhajans or kirtans, and the both of the two sounds create a crisscross mechanism, and because of this crisscross mechanism, the noise is irritate and feel uncomfortable to the human being. And the use of loudspeaker in function like marriages, religious ceremony, etc. These pollutions create a many health hazards. Then another example of noise pollution or another source of noise pollution is use musical instrument in festival. Number of sound producing instruments are used in festival, cultural society activity, and many functions are use a musical instrument. In Lasar dance of Ladakh are always done with beating of drums, and the folk dance of Nagaland and Kulu and Chamba and Gida, these are the Himachal Pradesh regions or Punjab, are not only conducted with beating of drums but a number of other musical instruments like shells and brass surma are also blown in function, and these instruments create a number of noise pollution. Then western music like pop music, these also create a large number of noise. In the village of North Himalaya, the wrestling in very popular game, and it is conducted by the beating of drums, and drums are beaten very loudly to mark of the success. And because of these drums create a lot of noise pollution, and the noise pollution is created due to these all things. And the in villages also use the like bull fight, cock fight, horse races, in also use the drum beating or also use the another musical instruments. Then another source of the noise pollution is use of TV and cables. The TV sets which loud intensive produce a lot of noise pollution, because of the TV sets have a one table like a 5.5 decibel is a minimum TV volume, then 6.94 is a maximum TV volume, then 2.80 decibel for impulse noise of advertisement at the same volume. Then 3.86 decibel for the film songs at same volume. Then 4.82 decibel for fighting sense sound, and these decibels are fixed according to the movies, advertisement, or fighting or any things. Then another source of the noise pollution is use of electric generator. Because of irregular supply of electricity in towns and cities, there are use of electric generators, and electric generator produce a lot of noise pollution. Then another source of the noise pollution is pyrotechnics. In pyrotechnics, use of firecracker. Firecrackers used in Diwali, used in Eid, used in any festival like wedding, religious, social functions, and they produce a noise pollution. And these all are the sources of noise pollution. Noise pollution means the unwanted sound dumped into the atmosphere leading to health hazards is known as noise pollution, and noise is measured in decibel. In next lecture, we will start the effect of noise pollution and control of noise pollution. Today we finish the sources of noise pollution. So I stop here. Thank you.